Hey guys, Hanson here from Ivy's Forge and Homestead, and Gladys is behind the camera.
Yeah.
And we're just doing a quick update, kind of for the Beard Up Challenge 2020. If you guys haven't had a chance to check that out, I'm gonna post up here in the corner that video where you can go check that out. There's merchandise helping out some two great causes. Okay, but we also wanted to just let you guys know that we're not dead. We're here. We mainly just needed to take a step back, chillax a little bit, take some family time, take some us time, okay? And we've already said that we do plan on putting out videos. Just as of right now, we're not on any set schedule, okay? But we're gonna walk you through, we're gonna show you some of the things that we knocked out today, and then some of the projects that we have coming up, and then also have one other thing that I'm gonna talk about towards the end of the video, so stick around with us and we'll talk about those in a bit. All right, so over here you can see that we've already started on our fence. So this is actually one of the projects that we're gonna be working on. And as it's coming up, as she's panning around, you see we still have a section here that we need to do. So this is a project that's gonna be coming to you, all right? Then obviously you can see over here too, that I have some of these projects that I got going on my other channel. This is Naughty Customs, y'all. Naughty Customs. You guys can go check that out. Hit that subscribe, hit that thumbs up. All right, so that's all woodworking and knot tying type stuff. Then obviously back here, along with this whole ate, this is where the new shop's going in, you guys. So the shed area here is going to be coming down. So this garage slash shop, right, is a 16 by 20. Okay, so by the time that we take off this section here and extend it out, it's going to be a 16 by 33. Okay, so this is going to be a woodworking and a blacksmith shop. All right, the blacksmith is going to be in the back, the woodworking stuff is going to be in the front. All right, so that's coming to you. All right, so as I stand here on this slab, all right, this is a project that's actually going to be for the girls. This is eventually going to be a artistic studio, okay, a place to be able to throw paint. Doesn't matter if it gets destroyed, or not destroyed, but if it gets dirty, don't matter, right? So we can come out here, we can have some artistic flair. For those of you that have seen Gladys's paintings, you know she loves to paint. All right, the girls, they love to paint. We like playing with clay, we like doing all that stuff. So this is actually gonna be an area where we'll dedicate to arts and crafts, right? Back in the corner, we plan on doing a little sit-down area slash swimming pool, stuff for the kids. You already see that we have the garden going on.
It's got to be fixed, though.
Yeah, garden's got to be fixed. We got the kids' playhouse. It has to be fixed because a tree fell on it. Right, and then some just general cleanup. So today, as you've been looking around the backyard, we've been doing a lot of yard work. We've been doing a lot of stuff here, cutting grass, going through, trimming plants. You know, going through, I ended up spraying a lot of the ivy vine that's on the back fence. That way it will die out. We don't have to worry about it coming into our yard anymore because we're tired of that. All right, let's go check out the front yard. All right, actually one more thing before we head out front. We have this whole patio. So this is a covered patio area. But as you can see up here, yeah, it's got some water damage. So actually this whole thing is going to be coming down. We do plan on putting another covered porch here, but we want it to be a little more closed in, fully closed in, with walls, little half walls that would kind of match the same look to the garden, and then screened in windows, so it'd be a screened in porch, not necessarily a fully enclosed porch. Mm-hmm. All right, so that's a project that's going to be coming as well. All right, now let's go check out the front yard. All right, so welcome to the front yard. So up here, obviously you can see we cut the grass, we did a lot of the trimming. So up here, a lot of the concrete work, we do need to redo the concrete. So as you come in, you see there's a lot of cracks. So I went through, sprayed all this to get all this killed out. So as of right now, we just plan to temporarily fill in all these cracks, all the voids, until we can actually afford to redo the entire driveway. So you can see my little pickup truck has a sticker in the back, Ivy's Forge and Homestead. All right, you guys check me out or see me on the freeway, give me a wave. I'll wave back normally. All right, So going through, we're going to be redoing this. We're going to end up widening the driveway. Okay, so that's the project coming up, along with the sidewalk going up to the front. And the whole front of the house, we actually plan on doing an entire patio. So it's going to be 6 feet wide by 33 feet long. Okay, so it's going to be a nice big patio that we can come out here, sit, drink some coffee. All right, so that's a project that's coming up in the future. All right, we have new gutters that we need to put in. That's a project that's going to come up in the future. All right, now you can also see over here in front.
We don't have to like completely all the way.
That tree that came down that, you know, we kept having issues with the neighbor's tree. Okay, the neighbor, he just rents. He doesn't own the place. So we kept having to go through him to go through the owner to get that big old tree knocked down. And if you guys haven't checked out those videos, I'll link that up in the corner as well. Go check them out. All right, so they ended up having 4 different contractors that came out to be able to clean up the mess that's in the front of the house. They still didn't get it all done. Gladys and I got out here and we bagged up roughly 33 bags of the big 39-gallon yard bags full of leaves, full of debris, nastiness. Smell like you're in like a elephant's den scooping poop. Oh, it was gross. But finally got it cleaned up. So the yard itself, it killed out a lot of the yard. Okay, but coming up here, everything's pretty nice and green. But the grass that we have is not the greatest, and there's a lot of weeds. Okay, and the one thing that I was talking about at the beginning of the video, sponsorships. Okay, we actually have some really awesome sponsorships that are coming up, and whenever we get those officially, I'm going to be talking about that a lot more. And one of them is actually a yard product, okay, to help us grow our grass a little bit better. All right, so that's actually going to be really cool. And then there's also another one that has to do with tools. All right, different types of tools. And once we get those nailed in and they get us our codes, we get our products and all those things, I'll be putting that back out to you guys. That way you can click on those links, you can get those discounts, and you can check them out for yourself. All right, so that's really all we got going. Got the truck full of trash. Gladys gonna take that to the dump tomorrow. And we've been busy, but like I said, we kind of took a step back of making videos. Spend time with the family, spend time to ourselves, right? Because if you work hard, play harder, you're gonna die fast. All right, sometimes you just gotta slow it down, take it easy, and then just enjoy the life, family and friends. All right, that's all we got for the rest of this video. Gladys, you got anything to put?
No, we're good.
All right, she doesn't have anything else to say. So we'll see y'all on the next one.
And
Bye-bye now.
cut.